Mayong adlaw ug among mainiton nga pag-abi-abi sa tanan mga atleta, coaches ug officials nga miapil sa Caraga Regional Athletic Meet 2026. Aniya ang mensahe ni 2nd District Representative Bernadette S. Barbers nga kinasingkasing niyang ipaabot sa tanan nga mga Caraganos. To all our young athletes, coaches, teachers, and guests, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. It is my great honor to welcome everyone to the Caraga Regional Athletic Games 2026, proudly hosted by the province of Surigao del Norte and the city government of Surigao. This year's theme, Champions in the Making, Caraga Youth Rising, reminds us that every race run, every game played, and every challenge overcome is part of shaping the champions of tomorrow. With 11,000 participants from across the Caraga region, this gathering reflects not only the strength of our athletes, but also the unity and spirit of our communities. To our student athletes, today you represent your schools, your provinces, and the hopes of your generation. Win or lose, what matters most is the discipline, teamwork, and character you build along the way. May this event inspire all of you to aim higher, compete with integrity, and carry the pride of Caraga wherever you go. Congratulations to the Department of Education, the organizers, our teachers, coaches, and the local governments who made this possible. Let the games begin, and may the Caraga youth continue to rise as champions in sports, in leadership, and in nation building. Daghang salamat and mabuhay ang mga atleta sa Caraga. Marajaw na hapon sa ato tanan.